I'm Teacher Sherry and today tayo po ay magkakaroon ng lesson about respect, helping, and love for others. First is respect or respeto. Ito po yung showing honor and considerating to other. Ang halimbawa nito is saying opo or opo and po and listening attentively. And next dito is yung helping or pagtulong. It assisting other in needs. Ang halimbawa naman po nito is helping a friend carry a book. And next is love for others. This is the most important, love for others. Lalo na yung pagkakaiba natin sa mga kung ano man po yung pagkakaiba, need po natin na pantapantay ang pagtrato natin sa kanila. Ito yung pagmamahal sa kapwa, loving and caring other as yourself. Example po nito is visiting a sick neighbor. And for today, meron po akong question. Tawagin po natin yung GMRC Q&A Showcase. Number 1 is respect or respeto. Meron pa akong tanong para sa inyo. What it is important to show respect to classmates even if they think differently from you? Oh, that's right. Because respect acknowledges their right to their own opinion and creates a safe, trusting environment where everyone can learn and grow. And next is helping or pagtulong. The question is, what should you do if you see the friend dropping their book in a hallway? That's right. Pick up the book and offer to carry them to their classroom. And the last question is, love for others or pagmamahal sa kapwa. Why is love for others considered an action and not just a feeling? Anyone? Yes, that's right. Because it requires us to actively care, support, or comfort others even if we don't feel emotional at the moment. And today is meron ito drawing si teacher. And huhulaan nyo kung ano ito. Wala po itong ano ngayon and magdodrawing si teacher ng mabilisan. And ngayon, natapos na si Teacher Sherry sa kanyang drawing na nagawa ngayon. At ngayon naman, aking ipapakita sa inyo at inyong ipaliwanag kung ano man ang drawing ni Teacher Sherry. Ito ay isang bata at siya ay nagmamana sa kanyang lola bilang respeto. Tinatawag itong respeto at itong lalaking bata na to ay siya rin ay tuwing kinakausap niya kanyang lola, ito ay gumagamit ng po at opo. At ito naman ang isang dalagitang babae na nakita ang isang matanda na nahihirapan maglakad, ito ay kanyang tinulungan. Ito naman yung tinatawag na helping to others or andito din yung love for others. Before we end this lesson, always remember, a little respect can change a day. A simple act of helping can change a life. A genuine love for the others can change the world. And yun lang po, maraming salamat.